The best app builder from DexKit is now celebrating the new feature that empowers the NFT marketplace owners in front of their creations. Now they will be able to mint their NFT marketplace templates as NFTs and sell them on secondary marketplaces. This will give the power to any developer or designer to monetize their content. The way to own an NFT marketplace by minting an NFT is a simple procedure. So let's do it right now, assuming you have created your NFT marketplace with DexKit, and also you need to hold 1000 KIT because this quantity will unlock this NFT feature. Now let's navigate into white label website in the description. Connect your wallet in the right top menu. Click in the App Builder menu and Manage Apps. We assume you have created your NFT marketplaces or crypto app before. If you didn't, so please visit the links below in the description to learn how to deploy your crypto app. Let's edit one of these NFT marketplaces in order to mint it as an NFT. We go to Actions. Now we go to the bottom, click on Edit. This is one marketplace I created to show you how to mint an NFT marketplace. After you design your NFT marketplaces, you will click on Ownership and you will need to fill all this blanks. My marketplace name. You can create an image for this NFT using generative AI. We can also add clicking in the image. We can add an image from our computer or from our other sources. Let's create a prompt to make the AI work for us. After generating our image for the NFT, we can just change the description and use one more suitable for this situation. Let's put a single description here. Great. We can add attributes as well, but we won't do it at this time. Note that you can hide the Powered by DexKit message at the footer of the page. You will find that here, and if you click here you will hide that. Now let's create our NFT. To empower our marketplace and make it unique. Did you know that if you mint your NFT marketplace in with your forever unless you trade it or you send it to another person, nobody will be able to clone your marketplace. This is your marketplace template NFT. If you sell this NFT, the owner will be able to deploy an NFT marketplace with that features. I have another NFT marketplace I've created before, but this is only a DEX aggregator to swap tokens. You can see here that here is another NFT generated with AI, and I changed the description to make it more suitable. Let's give it a look to this DEX aggregator, and you can see it's what I have expected. It's a single trading widget with the powerful API from DexKit. You can have yours or you can create any NFT marketplace and mint it to be the owner.